Today, going to, on this video, will be Denver to Houston. After that, I'm going to Nashville. My first flight out of here was delayed, so hopefully that won't be a problem when I get to Houston. Right now, it's showing a 20-minute connection, so that's not good. But we will see how, I might change my flight to a later flight when I get to Houston, or even right here. I'm gonna go talk to somebody to see what they say. So here we go. This is Premier Access. All right, so just went through security, big problems. Oh jeez, this guy's whistling.
Continue to hold on.
I didn't book the ticket. It was actually done by a third party. So I guess that's who made that mistake or something. So here's what happened. When they booked my flight, then they changed my flight. It was originally at a round trip ticket. Then it got switched to a one-way ticket, and they never canceled the round trip ticket. So when I came in to check in today, there were two tickets for me. They couldn't check me in. They couldn't get rid of one ticket. So I was literally waiting for 45 minutes at the gate, trying to figure, or not the gate, but board, like to check in, and they couldn't figure it out. So I called somebody, same United people. Where are we going? Houston. Let's double check our flight. Why can't I find it? Here we go, Houston. So B-22 delayed. That's us. So they literally reinstated the original flight. So I still have a round trip ticket right now that I need to cancel once I get to Houston. It's really bizarre. But I spent a good 20 minutes on the phone with that girl in about 30, 45 minutes. Where you check in with somebody. So they got me a boarding pass here to get on this flight and the next flight. But at the next flight, I'm so delayed on this flight, I won't make the next flight. So I'm like, let's push, let's find the next flight available out of Houston. They saw it, but they couldn't change my booking. I couldn't change it in the app. So this girl on the website did it. And I got business first class on the next flight too. So a little behind. Supposed to be boarding at 12:46. And it is currently, I can't turn it on.
Want to welcome any other customers with disabilities when you notice the time?
So confused. He's about to call everybody and then he pushed him back and this guy's doing something. It's a weird flight. Good?
Did you scan?
Yeah. Literally, he had to close that door because that beeping noise is just a high-pitched noise. It's like a security thing, like a door's open. It shouldn't be. Then he asked me if I scanned it. He didn't even see me scan my boarding pass. Oh my goodness. The wingtips. Not letting many people board that quickly. Thank you. Right. Just give you a bird's eye view where I'm at. Nobody's sitting here, but I think this is a full flight. This is a 737. Boom.
that beautiful landing, we'd like to welcome you to Houston. The local time is 5:48 p.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. However, if you're sitting in the exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlet. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure.
Oh, we got a VIP ride. Alright, let's go find a monitor. Let's go look at this plane though, now that we can actually see it. Sometimes I forget to do this. But here it is. This is the one we just got off of. Look at the one we're parked right by. It's the old painting job. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, watch the next one. We're gonna go to Nashville. Take flight.